My ingredients are watermelon, pineapple, evaporated milk, strawberry flavor, and pineapple flavor. Iced cubes. The only tool I'm using is my blender. Once again, you are welcome to Mama Franca'S Kitchen, my lovely viewers. I am your host and tutor, Mama Franca'S. Today on my tutorial, we are going to learn how to make special Pinamelon milkshake. I'm very sure this is the very first time you are hearing such a recipe. This is my personal recipe, and it is the best that you can ever have. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now, because we have a whole lot of tutorials for you, your family, and for your business, as well as videos on relationship and marriage talk, and my special talk show. Let's go. We'll put in our watermelon and add ice cubes. Please, because the watermelon contains a lot of water, the best thing you can do is to make it frozen first, so that you don't use too much iced cubes. Okay, so let's have our melon blended. So what we are going to do is to strain it. Just to take the chaff from the seeds out. If you are watching me and you want to attend the best vocational technical school in Ghana, then I introduce you Franca'S Vocational School in Aguna Swedro, where they offer courses in fashion designing, catering, event and floral decor, cake decoration and sugar craft, pastry making, electricals and building construction. 4020815947 for inquiries. Franca'S, they say the academicians with skills. So you are going to put this aside, wash our blender, and come back for the next stage. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to blend our pineapple. With this, we are going to add the pineapple essence or pineapple flavor and add our ice cubes. For this one, we will add milk and then leave the other one for the watermelon. Okay, so the leftover milk we left is purposely for our blended watermelon. Let's blend. You shake it and then pour it to whichever container you want to pour into it. Don't you think it's very simple to prepare for your children for school or have it as a business? The best you ever have. Simple, nutritious, tasty as well. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to add the strawberry essence to the blended watermelon. and then mix it together. I'm still waiting for you to subscribe for us to continue. If you haven't done that, after subscribing, click on the notification button so that you will be updated about our new videos. All right. So this is how we are going to serve. The special Pinamelon comes with the serving. Watch out. We are going to put it in alternatively. So the first is the pineapple. Because of how this is done, anytime you are serving, use a transparent glass or disposable glass like this. Don't use the one that is fully covered because the beauty of it will not be seen. Then you add a little of the leftover milk. Then you come with the blended pineapple. Watch how it is done. Put it at the center. I normally use more of this than the watermelon. And then you bring this also at the center. Get a visitor and you serve him with this, your house will be his or her house. If you are watching me and you are married or dating, this will be the trick. After your husband or your wife tastes this from you, I tell you, she or he is not going anywhere again. Never. So this is our special Pinamelon milkshake. For orders and our services, call or WhatsApp 0542 619011. If you are outside the nation Ghana, add +233. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is your very first time of watching me. Click on the notification button for updates because we put on a whole lot of videos. Visit my website www.mamafranciscatotheworld.org and don't forget to follow me on my page, Mama Franca'S Kitchen. Until I come your way again, have a nice day and enjoy your special Pinamelon.